Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel by click the subscribe button, press the bell icon and get notified directly for last upload. You already subscribed, please press the bell icon and never miss another update. Please also click like video button. Thanks you for watching. Using this will make your hair grow fast and will solve balding. Hair loss is an issue that nobody wants to have. It affects the confidence of men and women equally, and it can seriously damage a person's self-esteem. There are numerous products for treatment of hair loss, but they are not often efficient and they can be quite expensive. Fortunately, there are natural and proven ways to treat hair loss at home without damaging your hair and scalp. If you are one of the people who want to give your hair a boost, here we will show you a quick guide on how to increase the size of your hair and combat hair loss with a natural recipe. The amla, also called by many gooseberries, is a plant made for the treatment of various ailments. There is growing evidence confirming that amla is abundant in many nutrients that increase health, being these same nutrients those that can do wonders in the hair. In fact, this popular ingredient can be used to combat hair loss, stimulate hair growth and fight dandruff. In addition to all this, serves as a conditioner for hair. The best thing is that the recipe based on this ingredient can be made at home. Its consistency in the form of paste will cover the gray hair. But most importantly, it significantly nourishes your hair from the root to the tip, improving the quality of your hair on many levels, softening and moisturizing the hair leather, making it even stronger and stimulating its growth. One of the greatest benefits of the amla is that it can be used as an effective remedy against hair loss or hair loss, reactivating the hair follicles, making the hair thicker and stronger. And it is known that it also works wonders on dry and dull hair. The amla is abundant in antioxidants, which fight against the radicals that damage the hair, preventing graying. It stimulates the flow of blood to the scalp. In addition, it contains antimicrobial properties that prevent the formation of dandruff. Powerful remedy that stimulates hair growth and eliminates dandruff. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of gooseberry powder, or also known as amla, 1 tablespoon fenugreek powder, 1 tablespoon pasta curry leaves, 1/2 cup yogurt. Preparation: the first thing you will do is pour 1/2 cup of yogurt in a medium bowl. The next thing will be to add the other ingredients and mix everything very well until forming a soft paste. Then you have to apply the mask on your hair, which has to be previously wet evenly. Leave it for a half hour, then rinse with plenty of warm water. Use this recipe 3 times a week and in a short time you will begin to notice the results. Incredible benefits of the amla: promotes hair growth, reduces gray hair, eliminates dandruff and improves the health of the scalp. Excellent conditioner, stops hair loss. As you could hear, the amla or gooseberry is very beneficial. Using it you will stop the hair loss and you will stimulate it to grow so that in a short time you will have the hair you always longed for.